Hello. I don't understand why we Nigerians always celebrate people when they are dead. When this person dey alive, I no see picture everywhere. I just dey see am for Google say this kind person go say this kind person dey exist. You understand? Until this morning, everywhere I open, go Instagram, could be Brian, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. Na Nigeria can't even carry am for head pass o. But your person go post picture, say he do this thing o. You no go even comment say good o, congrats o. We like to celebrate the death more than when the person dey alive. When the person don die, that is when people come dey say this person good o, he's too good, you no dey find trouble, dey go your own. But when you dey alive, I never wan dey tell am, because na the thing wey you get when you dey alive na you go take go. Understand? When I dey try to dey celebrate person when e dey alive, not only when the person don die, una come dey talk good about the person, dey post the picture. Some people now don even use am do DP. Dey post everywhere, dey post picture up and down. Even the ones wey dem no even know him name, dem no even know whether he exist, dem no know am from anywhere from out down, dem no know am from anywhere. Just that we see people dey do am, let's follow them and do it. Let's follow them do am. Follow, that is how we go follow one day. Follow person enter river. If you post picture now, nobody go even comment put, dem no go, e go be like say if dem comment something dey happen, make anything happen to that person, dem will be number one to reach there to come dey show their condolence, dey write rest in peace. Why that person dey alive, you never one day even talk to the person. Maybe you dey even see the person for your street, you never one day even tell am say how are you. But if anything happen to that person, you be the first person to come a page come dey write, oh sorry, he very fast, my condolence, rest in peace. We like to write rest in peace pass congratulations and happy birthday. We like am. Person wey me I know say when e dey alive, I never wan dey tell am say how are you, hi, you go come down come go dey write this thing. We are hypocrite. Why are we so hypocrite like that? We see good, we no dey celebrate good thing. We don celebrate good thing. It's only something notice me, because now is well known all over the world. Everybody dey post the picture, could be he win this one, he win that one o. But when he dey alive, I never see you post am for your wall say this guy na my mentor, I dey watch am o, I be fans o, I be this one o. This is to show how people mind be, even all of us, to show say if anything happen to anybody, this is how they will still treat you. Because when you dey alive, nobody care. If person don die, before dem come dey show I care, I know am, carry a picture dey do DP up and down. I know that when somebody die is a painful thing, but the way wey we dey do am, use am take pack am put for our page, everything, as if na we come like the person pass the family wey dem dey in grief. We should try to dey appreciate people when dem dey alive, not when they are dead. The dead person no go see wetin you write for am. The dead person no go see whether you cry for am. Person wey don die, no go even see how you take carry yourself wipe for ground for am, or how you take crest am, how you take copy and paste am for your wall. Nobody, the person no go see am wey don die. Do wetin the person, when the person dey alive, do it for the person. If me, I dey post picture, I dey do anything, you never one day congratulate me, anything I go dey write the way I go get up for where I like that come give you dirty slap, you too go know say wetin you dey do no good. We should learn. Everywhere I just dey see even people wey I know say dem no even know the man history, dem no even know anything about the man. They don carry am take do DP, rest in peace. But their person, their town person die, dem no even talk am come outside, dem no even post am say this our brother he late o, he sympathize with the family o. No, because say Kubis know all over the world, everybody carry a picture dey post am. We should change. We should change. Na notice me be that one. High service. Nigeria, we are number 1 in high service. Anything happen for America, we also go carry and put for head. We leave our own problem, we carry and put for head. Carry and put for head. Why your neighbor wey dey near you, something happen to am, you no even care. You no even care to even call the person, wish am, say I heard what happen o, sorry o, this and that and this. But if na one celebrity, una go dey post am up and down as if una dey even happy. Some people go even go where they put person die, they go dey put like. What are you liking? Are you liking that the person is dead? Are you happy that the person is dead? Go and be liking, love, put love. Can you imagine? I don't understand though. If you know that this person when he dey alive, you don't like the person, why the person die you can't go the right put for there? It doesn't make sense. It's hypocrite. We should change. If the person is your fans already, I'll be seeing that person picture on your page. I know that right from time, even when he dey alive, you dey celebrate am. No be when he don die, you come carry a picture, dey gum everywhere. I no see everywhere put my face. Now you can't like and pass their family, like and pass your wife sef. Nowhere. If you go Instagram, could be everybody you crest am for their wall. You go Facebook, the same thing. You go, you don't even know where one put face again. No be say to sympathize with the family. Now even the family know, they even see that one when they post sef. Even who don die no even know wetin una dey write. E don go where e wan go. You no even dey see all those things. Do good to people when they are alive, not when they are dead, because they will not see your good. So change.